The EXF extension identifies a Microsoft Forms control information file containing ActiveX form control definitions for Microsoft Office applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these Office form control files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the EXF format fails. More on this later. EXF files are form control information files for Microsoft Office storing ActiveX control definitions and properties for form elements embedded in Excel, Word, and other Office documents. They define the behavior and appearance of interactive form controls. Microsoft EXF files use a binary format storing ActiveX control class, identifiers, property values, event handler references, and visual layout data for form controls, including buttons, text boxes, combo boxes, and list boxes, embedded in Office documents. Official support for EXF is primarily provided through Microsoft Office 365 from Microsoft Corporation. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows relies on temp files briefly, but they generally become unnecessary afterward. Your essential first move is the file association test. Right-click the EXF file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Office 365 is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. Don't worry if you need to try a few. If your EXF file still refuses to open, stay calm. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific EXF error. First, understanding EXF files. EXF files are system-managed components created by Microsoft Office when forms with ActiveX controls are designed. They reside in Office's form control cache and are automatically maintained during form design and execution. Next, troubleshooting form controls. If Office form controls malfunction, clear the forms cache by deleting EXF files from the Office Forms directory. Navigate to Present User, Profile Plan on App Data, HiLocal, Tempo, Excel, or similar paths. Restart Office to regenerate form control information. Finally, security considerations. ActiveX controls, referenced by EXF files, can execute code and access system resources. Configure Office Trust Center settings to control ActiveX control behavior. Disable ActiveX in documents from untrusted sources to prevent potential security risks. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.